You did it! You've unlocked the fundamentals of prompting across images, video, vectors, and more. Now it's time to take what you've learned and make it your own. Adobe Firefly was built to empower creativity at every level, and your generative credits and prompt bar are your ticket to that experimentation. Use them, stretch them, push the boundaries of what's possible. Whether you're refining a brand look, storyboarding a video, or sketching out your next big idea, Firefly is here to help you move faster, think bigger. The more you play, the more you'll discover, not just about the tool, but about your own creative instincts too. Generative AI is changing the way we create. So go ahead, remix, iterate, explore. Your next breakthrough might just be one prompt away.